Starting you out with a photo from Amanda Hernandez over in Flower Bluff, Texas, over near the Naval Air Station. Looking east out in the Gulf of Mexico, a nice shelf cloud produced by a shower and an isolated storm just east in the Gulf of Mexico. And when this happens, remember, in storms or showers, you have cool air descending, and outside you have the warm air rising, which gives rise to that shelf-like appearance as that cloud's starting to move east out into the Gulf of Mexico. Thanks for that, Amanda. Keep them coming. Scattered showers tonight is the forecast. Isolated storms mainly out to our south. A lot of the models hinting at more potential storm activity. We'll stay out in the Rio Grande Valley with temperatures falling into the low 50s. Right now, currently 63 degrees. High temperature, though, 85 degrees earlier around 3 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So a nice cool down, over 20 degrees so far in the last 8 hours, and it's been pretty cool. The cold front has been going to work. In response to this, also north-northeast wind at 24 miles per hour sustained winds currently, and we like the winds out of the north. It brings in nice, drier and cooler air, but the flip side of this, cool air sinks. Now when that happens, we have the warm air rising above it, giving rise to some flickers of green out on radar right now. Activity is very sparse, very isolated in spots. You can see a nice shower in Kingsville, some areas of drizzle out in Corpus Christi, and parts of the Matagorda Bay out to our north. And mainly cloudy though, but activity will ramp up in the forecast as we go into late tonight and also early tomorrow morning. But look to our southwest, more potential, more brief thunderstorms. Actually, you can see out to our southwest in Starr County and portions of southern Jim Hogg County. You can see a thunderstorm built and then just kind of rained itself out. And that's what's going to happen for the next couple hours until we get into your overnight hour forecast. And temperatures are pretty cool out across the Lone Star State. We're talking 30s in the Panhandle, 39 in Lubbock, 48 in San Angelo. Here in Corpus Christi in the Coastal Bend, we're still in the 60s, but we're not done yet as far as cooling down. We're still going to aim toward the lower 50s if you're out west in the brush country, more so the upper 40s, so a cool forecast is up ahead. So here's the setup. Westerly flow aloft, setting up a very moist and also unstable weather pattern. You can see a lot of the moisture coming in from the Pacific, moving in from west to east. Now embedded in this westerly flow are little areas and ripples of energy that's going to work into the coastal bend, and that's what's going to give rise to some thunderstorms out to our south and scattered showers throughout the remainder of the weekend. But first and foremost, the winds staying breezy for the next 12 hours. It'll be very breezy and windy overnight with gusts up to 20 to 30 miles per hour. And watch future radar activating some scattered showers mainly out to our south. Kingsville and also parts of the brush country could see some isolated areas of brief to heavy downpours. And as I mentioned, a lot of the downpours and more thunderstorm potential will stay out to our south for the remainder of the weekend. But can't rule out some scattered showers for the next couple of days as we get into Monday and Monday afternoon. So potential, could see maybe about a quarter of an inch of rainfall, isolated spots, maybe half an inch of rainfall, and out to our west and out to our south. Now, we do need the rain, pickpocket the outside spots of severe drought near Cotulla, just southwest of San Antonio, so we definitely do need the rainfall. Early morning forecast, low 50s, very cool and breezy. Tomorrow afternoon, not warming up by much, near 56 in the afternoon. Here's that 7-day forecast. Rain chances go from good to great for Sunday, and a taper off on Monday with temperatures rebounding in the low to mid 70s by Wednesday afternoon. All right, keep it here on 3 News. That's it for the weather forecast. Travis Green is up next.